Neighbor's Carpet Care, best damn carpet cleaner on the planet. I know this doesn't show up all that well, but this is all dog pee. What I wanted to show you is that when it's a smaller dog, you can win. Because big dogs, it gets all the way down to the padding. Anyway, let me give you a show and tell. Hang on. What I'm using is Rug Buster from Dura. It's a chemistry that loves biological oils, and urine's a biological oil. It's not something that they have recommended for use, but what I found is it really works. So next time you look at their catalog, you're going to see and works on urine. Anyway, you guys get the idea here. Neighbor's Carpet Care, best damn carpet cleaner on the planet. Rug Buster from Dura.